Hi everyone, in this video I will mention 10 common problems that Mark 7 Golf GTI vehicles are prone to experience. Number 1. The plastic engine oil drain plug is prone to develop oil leaks. Replacing it during each oil change minimizes the oil leak problem. However, a more serious problem is that after removing and installing the drain plug many times, there's a risk of damaging the plastic oil pan. To avoid both of these problems, it is recommended to replace the failure-prone plastic oil pan with a good quality aftermarket replacement that is made out of metal. Number 2. The vacuum pump tends to develop oil leaks. Number 3. The turbochargers in 2015 models are prone to experience premature failure. Number 4. The water pump housing tends to develop coolant leaks before the vehicle reaches 100,000 miles. Number 5. The sunroof drain tubes are prone to get clogged, causing rainwater to leak inside the vehicle. Number 6. The AC compressor can experience premature failure if the vehicle is driven at high RPMs for a sustained period of time with the air conditioning on. Number 7. The OEM clutch pressure plate and clutch disc are prone to experience abnormal wear and premature failure when the vehicle is driven hard and when adding performance parts to the engine that increases its power output. Number 8. The hood cable tends to fail in the section that joins the inner and outer cable ends. This section of the cable is located near the driver's side headlight. As you can see on the image on the screen, the plastic socket splits, causing the hood cables to separate, and as a result, the hood cannot be opened by pulling on the hood lever. Number 9. The subframe and suspension bolts are prone to stretch, causing clunking sounds when driving over bumps and during extreme and hard braking. Number 10. 2015 and 2016 models were recalled because a defective suction pump inside the fuel tank causes fuel to flow into the evap system, saturating the canister and posing a fire danger. There you have it, my friends. Those are 10 common problems that Mark 7 Golf GTI vehicles are prone to experience. Take care.